Greetings. My name is Steve Reed. I'm with Stephen Reed Ministries. I'm the author of 2 books, My Half-Brother, A Journey of Hope and Grace, and my second title is Restored by Grace, Broken Vessels Usable for God's Glory. I've been speaking and coaching for well over 25 years. My professional speaking began in 1992 after joining Toastmasters International, and I have given countless club presentations as well as outside public presentations. Along the way, I've coached hundreds of other people to become better speakers and presenters. In 1978, I graduated from college with a degree in psychology, with minors in sociology, history, and in music. And since graduating from college, I have spent hundreds of hours in continuing education, dealing with things like personal development, personality temperaments, conflict resolution, and communication skills, and so much more. In the late 1980s, I was introduced to the Greek personality temperaments of choleric, sanguine, phlegmatic, and melancholy. But in 1993, I discovered the DISC temperament concepts and fell in love with the school of thought. This knowledge and experience set me on my current trajectory, teaching individuals and couples these simple principles to help them better understand themselves and the others that they are working with. Today, I focus on helping individuals and couples, along with groups, deal with past issues and help them discover what those challenges are. Then as we address those issues and help them deal with those things, I show them ways to minimize the things from coming back. Finally, I help clients better understand themselves and the truth about who they are, not who the world says that they are. In the 1980s, I was introduced to the incomparable Zig Ziglar, and I immediately started following him. As a licensed Ziglar Choose to Win coach today, I take the wisdom and traditions of the Ziglar people and blend it with my own personal history and knowledge. And with that, I live out Mr. Ziglar's most famous quote: "You can have everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want." My mission today is pretty simple. I help individuals and groups move from complacency to average, then take them from average to excellent and excellent to exceptional, all while helping them maintain balance in their lives. I would be so honored to come and share with you and your organization some of these insights to help maybe improve things for everyone along the way. There are a couple of things that I need to share with you about my keynote presentations. Number one, I'm pretty flexible on the amount of time. I've got enough content that I could talk literally for hours if need be. So if you need something for 15 or 20 minutes or 30 minutes at a lunch or a dinner event or maybe even a breakfast event, I've got enough content that I promise people will walk away with value. People will be learning things and they'll take away some good nuggets. Well, at the same time, though, I promise you're going to have some fun. And who knows, you may even laugh at some of my crazy jokes that I share. Now, it's not a comedy routine, but I'll make sure that you laugh a little bit. I look forward to working with you soon. Again, this is Steve Reed. I'm with Stephen Reed Ministries. I hope you have a blessed day today. Goodbye for now.